Ah, way to go. Lake Manila quick play. Down on the inside, Manly on the further outside is Hammer it home. And running by the road, simply gold ravishing Rafi hard way, amazing pace. And make no mistake, is the early trailer. Quick play from the outside, kids simply go down on the inside. Manly Lake Manila. Hammer it home is racing pip from the outside. Rounding the far turn, quick play by Hapolan, simply go like Manila. Meritom is racing from the outside as they swing for quick play, the leader by some 2 lengths, followed by Simply Go down on the inside, and Hamilton, make no mistake, is running down on the inside, and nearing the finish line, quick play, Hamilton is on the outside, but still quick play, and Hamilton, and finally, quick play, Hamilton, make no mistake, like Manila, ravishing Rafi Mali hard way, simply gold, and amazing pace.